Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to be learning about the Jog tool. We'll begin by creating a sketch. Let's insert it on this face, New Sketch. Now activate the Line tool. I'm going to place my line about here. The line doesn't have to cross the part. Let's apply dimensions. 20 millimeters. OK, and exit the sketch. Let's go to the Sheet Metal tab now. Activate the Jog tool. First, we need to select the fixed face. SOLIDWORKS automatically recognizes the sketch we just created. We can use the default radius for our jog, or enter a custom value here. In the Jog Offset section, we can reverse the direction of the jog and select the end condition, blind, up to vertex, up to surface, or offset from surface. Let's use blind and specify our offset distance 10 millimeters. Let's specify the dimension position now, outside the offset, inside the offset, and overall offset. Check here to fix the projected length. If checked, this will add material to the sheet metal part. In the Jog Position section, we choose between centerline, material inside, material outside, or bend outside. Let's enter a jog angle here of 90 degrees. Tap to accept. We can also opt for a custom bend allowance. At this point, I'm ready to click OK. And here's our jog feature. Now let's edit our supporting sketch. Right-click, Edit Sketch. I'm going to delete this horizontal relation. And I'll place this point somewhere here. Let's apply dimensions now. 25 millimeters. OK. And let's exit the sketch. Now remember, we left the Fix Projected Length option checked in the Jog Property Manager. Let's flatten our part and see how it looks. As you can see, material has been added to the part. Let's right-click and edit the jog. I'm going to uncheck Fix Projected Length and then click OK. Let's flatten the part again, and the part looks significantly different. Now you can see what the Fix Projected Length option achieves. And this concludes our lesson about the Jog tool.